So welcome to SAKALAVIDYA education channel. So welcome to the actually Polytechnic and IIIT Basara classes. So in this record we are going to discuss the previous examination questions that was held in the last year 2018 Tsrjc questions. So these questions also very useful for all different kinds of entrance examinations. Not only Polycet, it may be useful for different competitive entrance examinations. Even it may be useful for TGT and PGT class also up to 10th class level. So directly without wasting time, let us go to the first problem of the question paper, that is right. Let's have a discussion on first question. So my dear students, first of all read the question carefully, then try to solve the question. Right. See, the radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3. Their heights are in the ratio 5:3. The ratio of their lateral surface areas. So that means, my dear students, actually ratio between the radii of two cylinders given. So that means R1 is to R2 given. R1 is to R2 is equal to 2:3. It's clear? And their heights are in the ratio 5:3. So that means H1 is to H2 equals to 5:3. So then we need to find out the ratio of their lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means actually that is curved surface areas. So that means you can say like this, C1 is to C2. This is the question mark. So this problem is related to the cylinder problem. Cylinder problem. So first let us write here, so curved surface area of first cylinder divided by curved surface area of second cylinder. So what is the curved surface area? That is actually, here we have 2 pi r 1 h1 divided by, here curved surface area of second cylinder 2 pi r2 h2. 2 pi constant gets cancelled. So what do we have? So right here this is r1 by r2 multiplied with h1 by h2. So my dear students, here R1 is to R2 given that 2:3, that is R1 by R2 is equal to 2/3 we can write. So H1 by H1 is to H2 5/3 given, that means indirectly H1 upon H2 is equal to 5/3. So that means here we have R1 by R2 2/3 multiplied with H1 by H2 5/3. You will be getting 2 5 are 10, 3 3 are 9. So 10 upon 9. So therefore required ratio C1 is to C2 is equal to 10 is to 9. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Right. Okay. Let us move to yet another question, 52nd problem now. So let us move to 52nd problem. 52nd problem. So thank you Williams for your kind suggestion. Okay. Right. Already I have been uploading the premiers for EAMCET. Please go through the chapters. They are absolutely free. So that means accordingly you need to comment on it. Right. 52nd question. This is very important question and logical question. So this is very interesting question also. Very important question. Very important question. This question definitely will appear in any type of entrance examination. So even it may be given for JEE mains examination also. In JEE mains also we have sets concept. Right. The number of possible subsets of this one. First, let me write here actually. Let us write A equals to, let us say A equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 next 5. Right. First of all, let us write the cardinality of A. How many number of distinct elements are present in A? That means n of A is equal to one element. This set also consider as one element. 3 elements. N of A is equal to 3. So therefore number of possible subsets. So number of possible subsets. Do we have any idea to find out number of possible subsets if the cardinality of the given set is known? Number of possible subsets. Number of possible subsets. Okay, possible subsets. So number of possible subsets. So number of possible subsets is equal to, we can write 2 to the power of n of A. Or suppose this is equal to n, you can say that is 2 raised to n, where n is the number of elements present in the set. Here how many elements? 3. So that means 2 cube. So 2 cube is equal to, our answer is 8. So that means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Right. So welcome Bhargavi. Right. So let us move to 53rd question. 53rd question. Right. So this question is related to the actually quadratic equation chapter. So first let me read the question. The value of the discriminant of the equation x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So discriminant. So what is the discriminant of a quadratic equation? That is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So that means here we are asked to find out the value of b square minus 4ac for the given quadratic equation, that is x square plus 1. So that means, my dear students, here solution follows like this. Here a is equal to coefficient of x square 1. Here b is absent 0, whereas c is equal to constant term, that is 1. Now we need to find out the value of the discriminant. Discriminant is equal to d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So let us substitute here b value, a value and c value. So let us substitute here. So that will be 0 square minus 4 times 1 and times 1. So what do we get? 0 square is 0 minus 4. So obviously negative 4. For example, instead of the discriminant, if you are asked the nature of the roots, as the discriminant is actually here, so negative d is less than 0, roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. So there is a chance of getting this type of question in the examination also. If the discriminant, sometimes this also can be written like this also, delta also. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. In some test books, they may use symbol delta also for discriminant. Right. So next let us move to 54th problem. 54th problem. Right. 54th problem. 54th problem. All of you read the question carefully. First of all, try to read the question, then make a plan to crack this problem. Which one of the following is a geometric progression? Which one of the following is a geometric progression? So which one of the following is a geometric progression means options are to be here actually checked. How to check? First 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. So first a2 by a1 write down. a2 by a1 means 3 by 2. Next, in the first option only a3 by a2 find out. That's a, if you get the common ratio, then it's a geometric progression. Otherwise, it's not a geometric progression. 5 by 3. So these two are not equal. So first option eliminated. Go to second option. a2 upon a1. a2 upon a1 is equal to how much? 3 by 2. Here next a3 upon a2. a3 upon a2 means third term by second term, 5 by 3. So these two are not equal. Here also these two are not equal. Second option eliminated. Second option also eliminated. Go to third option now. So third option is a2 upon a1. a2 upon a1 is equal to 9 by 3. So that will be 3. So now A3 upon A2, A3 upon A2 is equal to 27 upon 9, that will be 3. So these two are equal, that's why third option is the right option. Right, let us move to 55th question. 55th question is very beautiful question and also so wonderful question. 55th problem. So let us try to solve 55th problem. So very interesting problem, right? So let us move to 55th problem. First, read the question carefully, try to understand, then try to solve it now. Make a plan. Let E be any event in a random experiment such that P of E is equal to A by B, where A is equal to here log 81 to the base 9, clear, and where B is equal to log 2 base root 2. That means here first of all we need to evaluate both the values of A and B using the logarithmic concepts. So that means let us find out A value first. So A value is equal to here we can write 81 can be written as a 9 square, you can write it. So base 9, this we can write 2 times log 9 to the base 9 using power rule. This is 2 times 1, that is 2. A is equal to 2, clear. Next B can be written as like this. 2 can be written in terms of root 2. So that is root 2 square. Root 2 square is 2. So base root 2. This we can write 2 times log root 2 base root 2. That is 2 times 1. This is also 2. So we have P of E is equal to what is given according to the problem, that is nothing but A divided by B. A divided by B. So A divided by B or A upon B. A is 2, B is 2. You will be getting 1. Yes, probability is 1 and probability of any event is lies in between 0 to 1 also. P of E may be 0 and P of E may be 1 also. If P of E is equal to 1, that is called E is called sure event, certain event. And sometimes it may be given as certain event also. Sure event or certain event. Certain event. So that means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. So my dear students, let us move to 56th question. 56th question. So let us move to 56th question. Are you there? Right. This is the 56th question. Now, right. I hope you can give your answer now. You can give your answer. Right. The area of the triangle formed by 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 6 in square units. This problem can be done in several ways. Formula method or figure method also you can do it. First of all, let us draw figure now. This is a coordinate axis, right? So now here this is the origin whose coordinates are 0, 0. This 4, 0 lies on x-axis 4, 0. So now this 0, 6 lies in the y-axis. So join this one. So now we need to find out this area. This is a right angle triangle. Just label it A and B. So according to the figure here, it may be useful for even all type of competitive entrance examinations. So now this OB is nothing but 4 units. This OA is nothing but 6 units. So this OA and OB are the legs. Now area of the triangle. Area of triangle. The area of the triangle is equal to half base into height. Half base into height. Here this is the base. So that is nothing but half times OB. Height is OA. So let us substitute and simplify. Yes, Madhu, Srijaradi, welcome. Okay, okay, Tsrjc. Right. Tomorrow onwards, I shall continue EAMCET classes. Don't worry. Off times. OB is nothing but because I already started, so I cannot interrupt this class. So after completion of this one, definitely by means of your request, because Bhargavi requested, Williams requested, Tsrjc requested, others also, right? Even Kishore. So 4 times and OA is 6. Now 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So this answer is equal to 12 square units. 12 square units. This is the area of the triangle. This problem may be given for EAMCET also. It will be useful. Yes, not 24. That is actually check Tsrjc. So answer should be 12. So first option is the right option. 56th question. Let us move to 57th question. 57th question. Right. This is, so first let me read the question. The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 centimeters from the center of the circle is 4 centimeters. Then the radius of the circle is. So this question is from actually tangents and secant chapter and also figure based question. So let us draw the figure. Circle, right, clear. Now the length of the tangent drawn from a point A at a distance 5 units from the center of the circle. So this is center of the circle. So the tangent is drawn from this point. Say P, the center is O. So join this one. This will be right angle triangle. Say A. So now what we need to find out? Radius of the circle. Length of the tangent drawn from a point A. Sorry, this A. This will be P. Interchange. This is 5 centimeters. So next, actually here distance from center to A is this distance is 4 centimeters. Then radius R we need to find out. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can write like this: OA square is equal to OP square plus PA square. Let us substitute. OA is equal to 4, that is 4 square. Sorry, 1 minute, I did a mistake here. So just try to carefully observe. This is 5 centimeters. So distance from center to the point. Next, length of the tangent is from the center of the, actually the length of the tangent is 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. Right, clear. I hope it's clear. Right. So OA square is equal to 5 square. OP square is equal to, we do not know, say radius, that is R square. PA square is 4 square. Now R square is equal to, we can write 5 square 25. This is 4 square 16. 9 you will be getting. R is equal to square root of 9, which is 3 centimeters. The radius of the circle is 3 centimeters. So third option is the right option. Yes, Tsrjc, absolutely correct. Yes, absolutely correct. Or directly also we can write here. Now R is equal to square root of, we can write here OA square minus PA square. So that is equal to 25 minus 16. That will be root 9 is equal to 3 centimeters. This is the radius of the circle. Right. Now let us move to 58th question. It's very interesting question. 58th. Based on reasoning and proof question. This is. So, right. So first let me read the question carefully, then try to solve this question. Let us make a plan. Observe the following. First statement: the degree of P of U phi u to the power of 7 minus 6 u to the power of 6, 8 is 6. The graph of p of x is equal to x square minus 9 intersects at x-axis at 2 points. So first statement, what is the first statement here? You see p of u is equal to 5 u to the power of 7 minus 6 u to the power of 6 plus 8. So what is the degree? The degree of this polynomial in u, degree is equal to highest power 7. But what is given? 6 is given. That means first one is false statement. It's not true statement, false statement. Right? So next second one. Second one means, so p of x is equal to x square minus 9. So that means if p of x is equated to 0, you get x square minus 9 is equal to 0, x square is equal to 9, x is equal to root 9, that will be plus or minus 3. That means it has two zeros. It has two zeros means definitely the graph of this one is cuts like this. This will be minus 3, this will be 3. So this is x-axis, this will be x-axis, this will be y-axis, right? This is the origin. So that means obviously the p of x is equal to x square minus 9 cuts at 2 points on x-axis. It's true statement. That means according to this problem here, option 2, which of the correct is? Option 2 only correct. So second option is the right option. Let us move to 59th question. 59th question. Right. 59th question. Right. 0 comma 3 3 comma minus 3 comma 0 3 comma 0. Right. This is also very interesting question. Right. First see the midpoint of the line segment joining the points a2 comma 3 and b6 comma 5. It's missing, data missing, b6 comma 5. Solution of px plus 5y is equal to 24. Then the value of k we need to find out. The value of here not k, this is p. P we need to find out. Here also p value we need to find out. So my dear students, first of all, we need to find out, first step is here, we need to find out midpoint of AB. So let us say midpoint of AB is something midpoint. What is the midpoint formula? So midpoint formula is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and next y1 plus y2 by 2. So that is nothing but arithmetic mean of x coordinates comma arithmetic mean of y coordinates. It can be stated in that manner also. So that means arithmetic mean of 2 and 6, that is 2 plus 6 by 2. Next arithmetic mean of y coordinates, that means 3 plus 5 by 2. So that will be obviously, what do we get? 8 by 2 comma 8 by 2. So by dividing 8 by 2, you will be getting 4. So 4 comma 4. According to the problem, this 4 comma 4 lies on this one. Solution means lies, satisfies. So that means let us substitute this px plus 5y is equal to 24 was satisfied by this point 4 comma 4. So that means here you will be getting, substituting x for 4, 4p plus 5 into 4, 20 is equal to 24. So transpose 20 this side. 4p is equal to 24 minus 20. Then what do you get? 4. So this is a linear equation in p. 4p is equal to 4. We need to solve for p. So p is equal to 4 upon 4. So 4 1 ja 4. So 1. That means obviously p is equal to 1. The first option is the right option. I hope it's very clear to you. My dear students, first of all, let us find the midpoint of the line segment joining 2 comma 3 and 6 comma 5, so that we just we will be getting that is 4 comma 4. Now 4 comma 4 will satisfy the equation px plus 5y is equal to 24. In the place of x, 4 substitute. In the place of y, 4. So after prior simplification, you will get 4p is equal to 4. Now by solving, p is equal to 4 upon 4. So 1 is the obviously right answer. Madhu, wonderful. You did wonderful. So next, let us move to 60th question. 68th question. It's very, very important question. Right. So very logical question. This is very logical question. Directly we cannot answer also. Don't worry. Sine 23 degrees plus cos 23 degrees whole square plus sine 23 degrees minus cos 23 degrees whole square is equal to. So my dear students, for a y, let us say this 23 degrees is equal to theta. So let us replace it, no problem. Then this problem becomes sine theta plus cos theta whole square plus sine theta minus cos theta whole square. Clear? Now, my dear students, sine theta plus cos theta whole square is a plus b whole square formula. So we have a plus b whole square formula. What do you mean by a plus b whole square? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Am I correct now? It's absolutely wrong. Here plus should be there. So what is the value of a minus b whole square? That will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if you add these two, then what do we get? So that means a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. We can formulate it. So how do you formulate it? Yes, by adding these two. What do you get now here? 2ab cancel. 2a square plus 2b square. 2 common. A square plus b square. So my dear student, this is a, this is b. So we get 2 times a square sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is one of the important identities whose value is 1. So this will be 2 into 1. Answer is 2. So irrespective of angle, whatever it may be, 23, 23, 23, 23, answer is, it's 2 itself only. Fourth option is the right option. It is independent of theta. My dear students, remember, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is independent of theta. If as it is independent of theta, theta is equal to any angle also we can take it. That is the second method. So what is the second method you can adopt? So instead of 23 degrees, you can take any angle. So that means put theta is equal to 0 degrees. Sin 0, 0. Cos 0, 1. So 0 plus 1 whole square plus sin 0, 0 minus cos 0, 1 square. This is 1 square 1 minus 1 square 1. So answer is 2. Clear? So in this way also we can solve this problem. So generally this kind of strategies will be applied in EAMCET and JEE mains examination. In even Polytechnic entrance examination, Tsrjc examination also you can apply. No problem. Right. 61st question. This is very interesting question. This is also very important for even your EAMCET examination also. This question. This is from probability chapter. Is it visible? Yes or no? You need to chart. Is it visible? Yes or no? You need to chart. Try to solve this question. So a number x is selected at random from -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The probability that x lies between -3, 3. So first of all, a number is x is selected at random from the set of numbers from -4 to 4. Then we need to find the probability that this x must lie between -3, 3 itself only. So first let us write here n of s. N of s means total number of outcomes in the random experiment. You count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N of s is equal to 9. So let E be the required event, the probability that x lies between -3, 3. So that means E be the event that x should lie between minus 3 comma 3. Minus 3 less than x, x less than 3. So then n of E, number of possible outcomes. So n of E means number of possible outcomes is equal to, we can write in between, so minus 3 comma 3. So what we have, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Then cardinality of this set write down, n of E write down. N of E is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the probability? P of E is equal to number of favorable cases n of E by total outcomes of random experiment. That is nothing but n of S. So 5 upon 9. Always probability must be less than or equal to 1. So 5 by 9 is our answer, the first option. I hope it's very clear to you. First of all, write down total number of outcomes, that is n of S. So there are 9 numbers, correct? So now let E be the event that x lies between minus 3 and 3. So the number of favorable cases are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So how many number of elements are present in E? That is number of favorable cases. So n of E is equal to 5. So what is the probability of E? Number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes. That is n of E by n of S. So 5 by 9 is our answer. So this question was repeated in different entrance examination. I think more than 20 or 30 examination. Even NDA examination, Air Force examination, EAMCET examination. It's very, very important. 60-second question. 60-second question. Let me move to 60-second question, right? So let us magnify it now. So try to read the question, right? The mode of 2.5, 2.5, 2.1, 2.7, 2.8, 2.5, x plus 0.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.7 is 2.8. Then x we need to find out. So that means the mode of the given data is given that 2.8, and we are asked to find out the missing value, that is unknown value x we need to find out. So 2.5, how many times repeated? You check it now. 2.5 is repeated for how many times? So 1, 2, 3, 3 times, right? Clear, 3 times. But it is not mode. Leave it now. Next 2.7 is repeated for how many times? 2.7 is repeated for how many times? 2 times. 2 times repeated. So next 2.8. So 2.8 is repeated for how many times? So 1, 2, 3 times repeated. So 3 times repeated. So that means actually already 2.5 is 3 times, also 3 times. So that means actually here, so mode should be either 2.5 or 2.8. But according to the problem, 2.8 given. 2.8 given means one more, it should be more than 3. It should be more than 3. More than 3 means this x plus 0.8 must be equal to 2.8. So x plus 0.8 must be equal to 2.8. So now we need to solve it. How to solve? So can we transpose 0.8 to the right hand side? Yes, why not? We can transpose it. So by transposing 0.8 to the RHS, what does it become? Yes, it becomes negative. Exactly correct. So 2.8 minus 0.8. So having been subtracted 0.8 from 2.8, what do you get? So 2.0, which is equal to 2. Yes, x must be equal to 2. Third option is the right option. I hope it's very clear to you. Because in the given data, 2.5 is repeated for 3 times, 2.58 also repeated for 3 times. But as the mode is 3.8, the 2.8 should be actually repeated for more than 3 times. More than 3 times means the x plus 0.8 should be 2.8. So that by solving this equation, we get x value. So that is the required one. So 2. I hope it's very clear to you, right? 60-second problem. Now let us move to 61st Right, third problem, 63rd problem. So let us magnify this one so as to understand better way. So this problem is related to the mensuration chapter, right? The radius of the base and height of the right circular cone are 7 centimeters and 24 centimeters respectively. The slant height of the cone is a very beautiful problem this is. So what is given? This problem is related to the cone, right? Clear? This problem is related to the cone, right? So what is given actually here? This is the base radius given. This is the base radius. This is the next what is given, height given. This is the height, say A, O, B. So now this is radius is 7 centimeters, right? This is 7 centimeters. Height, this height is 24 centimeters. Now the slant height we need to find out. So my dear students, so what is given actually here? Height of the cone h is equal to 24 centimeters. Clear? Base radius, which is denoted by r is equal to 7 centimeters. L question mark. So we have this relation. Say actually right angle triangle. This triangle is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, L is the hypotenuse. These two are the sides, are legs. So now we can write L square is equal to, this is r value, this is h value. R square plus h square. So now with the help of this formula, we can evaluate L value. So r square is 7 square. So h square is 24 square. So 7 square is 49. 24 square is 576. Then what do we get? So fourth option, yes, let us try. This will be 625. We need to find out L value. L is equal to square root of 625. Square root of 625 means square root of 25 into 25. So answer is 25 centimeters. So Madhu, please check your answer. So that means second option is the right option, I think so. Second option is the right option. So this is the solution. So you can go through this question. You can go through this question. I hope it's very clear to you. Right. Now let us move to 64th question. 64th one. Let us move to next page. 64th problem. 64th problem. Right. This is actually, the question is related to the number theory, right? If q is some integer, then a positive even integer of the form. The positive even integer of the form. So my dear students, the general form of the positive even integer, we need to write it. 2. This we can write 2 into 1 we can write. 4. We can write 2 into 2. 6. 2 into 3 we can write. 8. 2 into 4 we can write. 10 is an even number, that we can write 2 into 5. Next even number 12, that we can write 2 into 6 and so on. Any, for example, even number, for example n is an even number, that can be put like this form, 2 into q, 2q form, 2q form, where n is even. Any positive even number can be put in the form of 2q, where q is a some integer. So that means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. So let us move to 64th problem. 64th problem also very important problem, and also most of the times this question was asked in different entrance examinations. See, here if 18 x comma y minus 3 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of x plus y. First, let me explain the method, then I will explain the super shortcut method. So, for example, my dear students, you see A1, A2, A3, A4. If 4 terms are in arithmetic progression, see, we know that A2 minus A1 is common difference, A3 minus A2 also common difference, A4 minus A3 also common difference. So that means we can write A2 minus A1 is equal to A4 minus A3, we can write it. This is nothing but common difference. So that means actually here A2, what is A2? X minus A1 is 18 equal to A4. A4 is minus 3. So A3 is here y, minus y. You bring minus y this side, transposing the terms, minus y to the right hand side. So we get x plus y is equal to minus 8 plus 18. So answer is 15. Answer is 15. So now whenever 4 terms are there, A1, A2, A3, A4. So my dear students, remember A2 plus A3 is equal to, directly we can write A1 plus A4. So according to this super shortcut, you should not do anything, directly we can write our answer. So x plus y is equal to, you can have 18 minus 3. So answer is 15. Without paper pen, just by seeing the question only we can write the answer. So second option is the right option. Okay, I hope it's very clear. Now we shall continue in the next session, evening session. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. And moreover, tomorrow onwards I am going to start even EAMCET class also. Don't worry, all of you. So all of you present in the sessions. Thank you. Bye bye. So if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Then I will go through the in next session. I am going to clarify your doubts also. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.